In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your video lessons that are assigned each night. So again, when you come onto your computer, you can use any browser you so choose. Chrome I have found has worked the best usually, but again, it will work on any of the browsers. All right, so you're going to click on the online technology, and if you have logged in before, it will allow you to log yourself in. If not, you have to log in using your S number. So in this case, this one is 205343. And then again, you use your birthday, the school year, and your birth date. So the school year this year is 2018-2019. So it's 1819. And then I'm not going to tell you this student's birthday, but let's say that the birthday was October 3rd, 1819, capital O, C, T, and then a 03. So if your birthday has a single digit, you need to have that 0 in front. And you always need to capitalize that first letter of the month. Every year that password will change. So like next year is 2019, 2020. So the password will be 1920. So I'm going to go ahead and type in this student's birthday so we can go ahead and get logged in. Okay, and again, I'm on the dashboard. I don't have to add anything in here. I just go on to Google Apps, and I go to Google Classroom. All right, if you haven't gone in there before, it'll ask you to accept the terms. Right. And it's going to go through and it's going to tell you, and you get to choose. So in this case, it's a student. And then now you're going to join a class if you haven't already done so. And I do have the class codes on our newsletter in case you need them. So they'll be on that very first newsletter. In this case, the class code that I am going to use is 9Y6LA6X. And yes, all the codes are this ridiculous, and I don't have any control over what the codes are, so I apologize that it's not something more simple. So I'm going to click join, and it is going to take a minute, and it's going to get you into the class, and then it's going to put you through a tutorial of materials. Excuse me. Now in this case, I have posted all of the videos right here in the stream. So for this module, for this 7th grade class, all of the videos for module 1 are in one post. Sometimes it might be a little different, and you might see that it is in its own post. So here, now it looks a little different this year. It doesn't show the video right off the bat. It just shows you that you have an assignment. So it says Katie Belangi posted a new assignment, lesson 1.1. If I click on it, it opens up everything that is involved with that assignment. In this case, what's involved is watching the video. So I click on the video, and then the YouTube video that I posted is going to pop up. Notice that none of the ads are on there. That's the nice part about going through the Google Classroom, is that you don't have the ads and all the extra stuff from the YouTube channel. It is just played through Google Classroom. You can also put this into full screen. Okay, and when you put this into full screen, it makes it easier to see. I suggest doing so when you watch your videos. To get out of full screen, just click down here and exit full screen. All right. And then to go back to the page, you just click back. Now for students, there's nothing to add or to create for the majority of these assignments, but it is nice when you are done to mark it as done. All right, and then you didn't attach any work, so your teacher will just see it's done. In this case, it's fine, so I'm still going to mark as done. This will help for when parents are getting emails about things not being turned in. However, this is not where I, as your teacher, will be looking to see if things are turned in or not. I check your notes, right? So whatever it says on the Google Classroom is not always going to be the same as what's in the gradebook. Now remember, just clicking mark as done is not going to guarantee that you are going to get your credit for having watched the video. You need to make sure you take your notes along with it. If you forget your notes at home, you need to take your own notes, which is going to involve a lot of writing, so it is going to take you longer to do the lesson. There are also problems at the end that you are going to need to complete. If those problems are not completed, then you will also not earn your point for having done the work. And when things aren't done, one of the options that we have is to have you come in and complete it during lunch and recess times. And if there is something where you're not able to get it done, remember you always have your home group, silent reading time, and lunch and recess. We are always able to work with you on that, but you need to let us know ahead of time. Don't wait until the day of in class to let us know that there was a situation or that you need some time in school to get it done.